All right, this camera is waterproof, but I do have a waterproof case. And I'm going to show you how to use the case and how to put the camera in it, okay? So first of all, we got to open the case up. You're going to come to the top. You're going to push this down where that arrow goes, and you're going to pop that. Then you're going to flip it over like that. You're going to grab your camera. Make sure that you've got the lens facing the correct way. You're just going to slide it in like this. Now you're going to shut the back door. You're going to hook this around the edge. And then all you have to do really is just kind of squish it down. Bam. And now you've got a double waterproofation. Now to turn it on, you got to come to the side where the lens is and where you see 10 black. You're going to push and hold. When it first comes on, it sometimes tells you got to, redo your card. All I do is just click here, and it starts recording right away. So now it is recording. Look, you can see me. I'm recording myself in it. Now, if you want to turn the recording off, you just click here. Bam, done. What I do is I preset it exactly what I want to do. I'm at standard 4K, 24 frames per second. So I just keep it there before I put it in there, because this is not touch. You can't touch screen this, just know that. Now to turn it off, you just go here, press that button, and it turns off, and that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use stuff like this. Peace out.